Jamaican rice and peas or beans made in a pressure cooker. These are the ingredients. So I have here 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 small Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme and some scallion. And also I have ½ pound of clean red beans in a pressure cooker with 9½ to 10 cups of water. I use 10 cups. Also I have a 1-inch piece of ginger root, 1 10-gram package of all-purpose seasoning, and this is optional. And also I have 4¼ cups of white rice, a little over 2 pounds. And finally 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt to taste, and your favorite coconut milk powder, or you can use your natural coconut milk. Now that we have all our ingredients together, let's get cooking. Cover the pressure cooker, place over medium-high heat. When pressure builds up, lower and simmer to cook for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow pressure to release. Pour into another pot or continue in the cooker. Add the thyme, ginger, garlics, and the scallions. Add the pepper and the seasoning if you're using. Add the coconut milk that has been mixed with 1 cup of water. Add some salt to taste. Now add in the sugar. Cover the pot, place over high heat, bring to boil, and lower to simmer for 10 minutes. Guys, so I'm giving you a tour of my little mini garden. I have some onion going on there, some corns, pumpkins, banana, and some scallion. So I have a lot of things going on in this little garden. Yeah. Clean and wash the rice. Remove the pepper from the pot. Pour the rice into the pot. Mix well. Cover and cook until the water is absorbed and the rice is properly cooked, about 16 to 18 minutes. Leave cover for 10 minutes, then remove the herbs and serve with chicken, pork, beef, or fish. Thanks for watching.